Hello students, welcome back to the online teaching of St. Thomas School, Standard 7, Subject English. Students, we have already started the discussion of chapter number 5, Exploring Values. In previous video, we have discussed activity 3, 4, 5 and 6. And I have given you some homework also. I hope you have completed your homework in your fair notebook. So today let's start our activity 7. Change the following sentences into reported speech. Here sentences are given which we have to turn into reported speech, means indirect speech. You are very well aware about this indirect speech, that the sentence which one person said that repeated by some third person, that is called indirect speech. This topic you have been studying since previous classes. So let's discuss this activity. First sentence. What is the matter with you? You can't solve a simple problem in simple proportion, asked father. So its indirect speech will be, father asked his son what the matter was with him. He asked him if he could not solve a simple problem in simple proportion. You can see here the sentence start with WH. So here answer also with WH. Here there will be no that conjunction. Is, that present tense will change into past tense, was. And pronoun also will change. You become him. Can't will become could not. So this way some changes we have to make in a pronoun and in the tenses. See the second sentence. Father, I cannot do the sum, Swaminathan said, pushing away the slate. So its indirect speech will be, who said this? Swaminathan said. So pushing away the slate, Swaminathan said to his father. Swaminathan saying to his father. So Swaminathan said to his father that I cannot do the sum. That will change. He could not do the sum. I become he, cannot become could not. So that changes will be there in an indirect speech. Let's see the third one. You seem to be an idiot. Now read the sum carefully, said father. So here who is the speaker? Father. So father stated with anger that you seem to be an idiot, means he is telling to son. So he, you become he. He, seem is present tense, so it will change into past. He seemed. He seemed to be an idiot and instructed him to read the sum carefully. The sentence is, now read the sum carefully. So answer will be, he instructed him to read the sum carefully. Fourth sentence, father roared, I am not going to leave you till you tell me how much a single mango cost at 15 annas for 10. Here father is the speaker. So father roared to whom? Then his son. Father roared to his son that I become he, and am present tense. It will become past tense. So he was not going to leave him till he told how much a single mango cost at 15 annas for 10. So changes you can see. I become he, am present tense become past tense, was, you become him, me, it's become him. So these are the changes made in an indirect speech. Fifth sentence you can see. Father admitted defeat by declaring one mango cost 15 over 10 annas. Simplify it. So its indirect speech will be father admitted defeat by declaring that one mango cost 15 over 10 annas. Simplify it. So it will be changed into then he instructed his son to simplify it. Now simplify it given. So their conjunction to we have to add. He instructed his son to simplify it. So this way we have to make the changes while changing the sentence from direct to indirect speech. We have to add the conjunction that, to, like that. Then we have to change the tenses. Present tense become past tense become past perfect tense. Then some pronoun also according to the who is the speaker and who is the listener. According to that, some pronoun also we have to make the changes. Okay, so this activity 7 PDF also I will send you. Again you go through PDF, you read the PDF, and activity 7 you write down in your fair note book. Now let's see activity 8. Sankar's father has given him rupees 50. The three friends decide to go to the marketplace and spend it. The shopkeeper gives them the following bill. Sankar has to report to his father how he spent the money. Write a dialogue between Sankar and his father giving an account of the money spent. We can see here the boy Sankar was given 50 rupees by his father, and he and his friends decide to go to the marketplace and spend their money. They have bought some items from the shop and shopkeeper has given them the bill. Now Sankar has to report his father that how and what money he has spent, what items he has bought. So here we have to write a dialogue between Sankar and his father regarding the account of the money which he has spent. We can see the bill here. The shop name is written Raj Fruit Mart. The address is given, phone number, bill number, everything, date is written in the bill. You can see the name to Sankar is given and which are the things he has bought. What is the price? So we can see he has bought mangoes 2 kgs. 12 rupees per kg and 2 kgs means 24 rupees. He bought one rubber ball which cost 13 rupees. 3 ice Pepsi sticks he has bought. 2 rupees each means 6 rupees. And 3 toffees 2 rupees each. Then 3 toffees cost 6 rupees. So total 49 rupees he has spent. And that bill he has got from the shopkeeper. Now he has to give this account to his father that how much money he has spent. So here we have to write a dialogue between Shankar and his father. So students, there is a dialogue between Shankar and his father that how he spent the money. So I will send you one PDF about this dialogue. I will write the dialogue there and which I will send you through PDF. You read that dialogue and you can write that same in your fair notebook. If you want to create your own the dialogue between father and Shankar, then you can write your own. You can get the help of the PDF which I will send. Otherwise you can write that dialogue also in your fair note book. So that will be the homework for today. Activity 7, change into indirect speech, and activity 8, a dialogue between Shankar and his father. Both activities you have to write down in your fair note book, very neat and a clean handwriting. So students, today we will end our video here. Thank you very much students. Bye bye.